Hello, it's your boy CJ Forex, aka the Market Maverick. So I'm back again with another episode of how to start trading this 2025, and this time around we are going straight to the chart. So I think by now, supposedly people that watch my previous video, though I got some few people that have already created the account and they are waiting for my next video of how to start using the trading view, and that's going to be the reason why I'm making this video. So for the people that created their account with Exness or TenTrade, for the people that have set up their demo accounts, we are going to be entering straight to the trading view. I'm going to show you how to configure your trading view, how to set it up to look neat and to look professional. So I'm going to be showing you all these tricks. That's how my trading view is. I'm going to be doing that with my own trading view, and you're gonna see how my trading view looks so neat. I don't exaggerate my trading view with multiple indicators and stuff. So it's just simple, and I just put the indicators that I use, and you will like the way I do it. So before I move further, I want to first of all appreciate and thank everyone that watched my previous video. I got some views, like I got like 180 views in just 5 days, and that motivated me. So I want to thank you guys for your support too. While I'm giving you the knowledge for free, I also beg you to like, comment and share my video so that you can keep getting this knowledge for free. You are not paying me. Remember guys, you are not paying me. So let's go guys, let's go down to the trading view. Let's go to the chart so that I can start seeing what you have been waiting for. And for you guys that told me that your accounts have been created and you are waiting for my next video, this is the time. Let's all trade this year guys. Let's start trading again guys. And not forgetting, this week there were some important fundamentals, some important news about USA. The current president of America, Donald Trump, was inaugurated this week, and from now to the end of his tenure, there's going to be massive movements in the market. There's going to be a massive volatility in the market. So this next 4 years, this is your opportunity to learn this thing, and make your money these 4 years before the next election of the United States. I like Donald Trump because the man, like, for me, I used to see him like a businessman. He's an investor, and also he accepts crypto and some other investment, not like Joe Biden that restricted some of the things, and the market was kind of slow. But this time around, I really wanted to say this because you are going to see massive movement in the market. There's some pairs on the forex chart that have been consolidating for a very, very, very long time. But now if you look at the chart, you see a massive movement. Just take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin went to 100,000 just when Donald Trump was voted as the president of the United States of America. So this is an opportunity for us to learn how to trade this thing, make our money this next 4 years before anything can happen. Learn a skill that is going to help you for the rest of your life. So guys, let's go to the trading view and you see how these things look like.
Right, before we continue, this is how the trading view logo looks like. This is how it looks like. So when you download your trading view for the first time, you are going to see the chart like this. And if you can see, the chart is looking too noisy. Some moving averages, some indicators and stuff. So this is how our chart is going to look like. So let's start by to configure our chart to look nice the way I used to put mine. So the first thing I will do is to remove this indicator, this one here. First thing I'll do is to remove it, and I'll just right click and remove the indicator. So right now, if you look at your chart, you see that you just have the moving average and your candles. Okay, for me, for some people they used to allow the default colors because they are nice, yeah. But for me, I can still change it. I can right click. You can change the colors and put the ones you want. And also, if you are the type that uses indicators, you can also click here and add any indicator that you want. But I don't use indicators, and if I'm to use, I just use this moving average. But I'm still going to remove it to make my chart look nice and clean. Okay, I just remove it. So now let me show you how to change your chart, your candlestick colors. So when you right click, you go to settings, you come down to symbol, then now you can see this green is for the bullish candle. This is bullish candle. That green is for this bullish candle, and this red is for the bearish candle. So you can choose any color of your choice. For the bullish candle, let's say you want to use blue. You see it has changed from green to blue. And for the bearish, maybe you want to use black. You see it has changed from red to black. But if you look clearly at the bullish candle, you see that the borders are still green. You understand, right? So for make it to be thick and clean, also come to the borders, put the same color as the body. You see, you come down to the wick. This is the wick, this long and this place, this is the wick, this long wicks. So you come to the wicks and you also change it and put the same color. Alright, if you can look at your bullish candle, see that it's thick and it's nicely formed. So you do same for the bearish. You can choose any color of your choice. You must not use the same colors. So go down here, choose black, come to the wick, use black. So now let's see. Now you can see your bullish and your bearish candles looking so nice. So now you know how to change the colors of your chart. Alright, now we are done changing the colors of your candlesticks. So just take a look at these guys. Don't it look amazing to you? Yeah, this one looks good. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you now, if you look up here, you're going to see the 4 hours time frame, the 1 day time frame, the weekly, the monthly, 3 months. So what I'm going to be doing now right here is to show you how to put our time frames. These are all the time frames that we have, from 1 second to 45 seconds. For the minute time frame, we have from 1 minute to 45, and from hourly time frames, we are from 1 to 4. So what I'm going to be doing is that if you are a trader and you trade on a 50-minute time frame, just make it your favorite by clicking this add to favorite. If you trade on a 30 minutes time frame, you do same by adding it here. If you trade on an hourly time frame, 1 hour, you add it here. 2 hours, you can see add it as favorite. It's going to be showing up here. Just take a look. 50 minutes, 1 hour. So 30 minutes. Now let's add 30 minutes. You can see 15, 30, 1 hour. We have 4 hours and 1 month. This is it. 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. So I think we are good with this one. As a beginner, you are good with this one. So the next thing we're gonna do right now is just to show you how this sheet works. So I think this section is quite easy because this way you can add your pairs I want to trade. If you take a look at this one, I had to put my pairs in order. So this is the XY, this is JPY basket. You know, when you are trading USD pairs, you use the XY to know the direction of the market, whether dollar is going to, the dollar index is gonna be strong or is gonna be weak. So same as when I'm trading my JPY pairs, I use my JPY basket to also know whether JPY is gonna be strong or weak. So I trade US oil, I trade and XAUUSD, that's gold. So these are my pairs and I arrange it in a very nice form. This is section 1 USD pairs. So sorry, section 1 is JPY pairs. You see USD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP JPY. Please don't look at this AUD JPY, AUD USD, because I don't usually trade AUD USD. Just that there was a trade setup sent to me. I think it was from Joa Forex. Yeah, I think it was from him. So I had to look and enter the trade. So let's go down to the second section, GBP pairs. I'm fond of trading GBP pairs. You can call me the GBP Emperor. I'm just kidding, guys, but I love trading the GBP pairs. So look at my GBP CHF, GBP CAD, GBP USD, and these are the Euro pairs, Euro CAD, Euro USD, Euro AUD, and these are the rest that I do look at it. I just look at it, but I don't actually trade this pairs. I just look at it. But if I see my setup, my strategy match with any of these pairs, I'm taking the trade straight up. So look at the XRP. This is a coin that has been going up, and I used to look at it, and it's doing pretty well. So if you're a kind of crypto man, you can invest on this coin. I guarantee you it's gonna be like Bitcoin in future. Okay, this place is simply the watch list. You see the way I've put my watch list is simple and clear. So there's always some saying that few pairs and a good setup, stay consistent and follow your trading plan can make you a lot of money in this market. That's what I'm trying to do. Just few pairs. I just trade few pairs. There are more than 50,000 of pairs I can put here, but I just choose to trade few. All right, so these are our watch list, and you see this flag here. If you have a setup that is about to reach your entry point and you're watching, you can just make it. You can just put a flag on it. So that you can keep it ringing in your mind that you're waiting for a setup on this pair. You can just mark it like this. Yeah, and you keep checking on it. So if you want to add any pair, you just come here, click on add. You search for any pair that I want to search. Let me search Euro. I will search Euro GBP because I don't trade it. I will just search Euro GBP. Let's see. All right, I've searched it. So when you want to add, for me, I used to add the Forex or the Forex CM here. These two is okay. So because not everything that comes out there is about Forex. This Euro, British Pound, Spot Crypto, Kraken. So just add the ones that goes with Forex, add it here. And what you see, you're gonna see it down here. This is down here. Then look at the chart right now. This is a chart. Oh, and this pair have been really doing pretty well. The market has been volatile. Of course, GBP pairs have been very, very, very volatile these days. The market movement has been pretty good. So I don't also trade this pair, but it looks like I'm going to be analyzing this pair anytime soon next week to see if I can catch a trade here. All right, so you know how to add, and if you want to delete any pair, you just need to come here. This is delete button, deleted. I want to arrange it by interchanging the positions. I can bring my DXY right down here to be the first here. I can bring it anywhere I want. So you just choose how you want to put your watch list and how you can position your pairs. All right, so right now we are on ADUs. I took this trade, I made some profit. I came out here, entered somewhere here, and I came out here. I was pretty good with my profit. So let's go back. We're done from this section, and now this place is also shakeable. I don't know if it's a good English, but it shakes. Look. All right, if you want to arrange your screen, you can make it like this. If you don't want it to be like this, you can just shake it and make it to just be like this. So this place, you can actually move it. You can move it and put it the way you want, but I always want it to be like this so that I can see the full abbreviation of my pace. I don't just want to be seeing the first currency pair without knowing the second. Like right now we just see AUD USD, don't know if it's AUD JPY or AUD euro or anything, so I better make it to be visible like this. But if you want to use the full screen, just come right here, just click here, this place here. It's gonna give you the full screen, and now you can do whatsoever you want to do. You can now analyze your market with a very nice and clean screen. So again, this place you can create an alert. So I have a little of Nigerian accent in my mouth. I grew up there, so we used to call it the alert. When Cameroon alert is okay, you can create it here, but you need to do that with the pro version. So I don't use the pro version, I use the free version of TradingView. And you can set an alarm. You can draw your support, resistance, and set an alarm that if the market reaches that position, it's going to alert you. Okay, so these ones are just unnecessary. So let's go now to the indicators and what you'll be using to analyze your trades. So let's come here. The first thing that you need to have, I don't need to tell you as a beginner, you need to have this. You need to know how to draw your trend line. Okay, and to draw your trend line, how to draw your trend line is going to be another topic someday. But I just want to show you the instrument that you'll be using. To draw a trend line, you need this. You come here to this top. This is trend line. Look at it. When you click it, you can be able to draw your trend lines. You can draw your trend line from here. Let me show you. I'm gonna adjust my trend line. This is it. Draw a trend line. This is it. It's a very accurate trend line. As you can see, trend line broken. NZT, NZD, CHF. So this trend line has been broken. So you need this to draw your trend line. You can also change the colors by clicking on the trend line, coming here and choosing the color that you want. But black is just perfect for me. I love it like that on a white on a white template. Black is good. You can also change your background template to be black, to be dark. I forgot to tell you that I can change it to be dark, but I love white so that I can see my things and physically good. Okay, this is your trend line, and what you should do is go back to your trend line, add it as favorite. It's going to appear here, and you can also adjust the position. For me, I used to put everything here at the top so that I can access it easily. So this is my trend line. The second one that I want you to know after the trend line is horizontal ray. It's also good. Add it to a favorite too. This is it. And after adding it, it has pop up here. You can change the location down any way you want to put it. That's for easy access, for you not to be coming all the time to look for this instrument to use. So this is the horizontal array, and if you look at this resistance, that the market is actually acting on this resistance right now. So it's going to be risky for anybody that's trying to buy this market from here. It's going to be very risky. But this is a very strong resistance, especially for people that are trading on the lower time frames like 30 and 50 minutes. If you try buying from here, it's gonna be risky. So just hold on and see how the market is going to act here before you can make your trading decisions. So this is the horizontal ray. You can also click it as well and change the color the way you want it. Yeah, whether red, see, anyhow you want it. So for me, this color was perfect for me. Yeah, for me it's perfect. So the next thing I'm going to show you now, after that, the next instrument, and you can use all these instruments. I'm just showing you the ones that I use. So the next one I'm going to, let's go down here to the Fibonacci retracement, add it to the favorite. So this Fibonacci retracement is going to be another topic differently that I'm going to make a video on it. This is the Fibonacci. You go to the highest point where the market has reversed, and this one right here, you notice that the market has really retraced back on this 50 and 61 Fibonacci retracement. This area, you see, this market was about going up, and we call it liquidity. So some people will think that the market is reversing back up, but this candle changed everything. And this year was supposed to be a very good entry point for this market. So my Fibonacci retracement is very important for you, and I've already set up my Fibonacci. So the video about my Fibonacci retracement, I'm going to show you how to set it up too. So the three instruments that I just added have popped up at the top. So let me add another one. So mind you, these ones are very important, very important. So after the Fibonacci retracement, let me see if I use anyone here. You can test all these instruments and add anyone you want. So let's go down here to this. I don't think I use anything here. And another important instrument that you need this long and short positions. These two. Okay, this long position simply means the buy is long. Means the buy, like you analyze your market. Let me do a very simple analysis here to show you how we can place that long position. This is a very nice trend line going up. You see, very nice trend line going up. So forget about my trend line, guys. Let's go ahead. Let me show you how this market really behaved. So if you notice this trend line, the market was bearish. You understand? The market was bearish, and this trend line was broken at this point. And what happened here was this trend line was broken at this point, and the market retraced back to the 50% Fibonacci retracement, and was moving all the way up here. So the market already, this trend line was broken. You understand? If you go to the one eye, you can see it clearly. You can see it clearly. The trend line was broken, retraced back to this support zone, and form a very strong bullish candle here. So if you are to enter this trade, you can use this one to measure your stop loss, take profit, and everything. So this long position after this bullish candle, for me, I think this is a confirmation to enter this trade, and my TP is gonna be this resistance up here. So if you were okay, see, so if you are looking at this market, this is how you're gonna take this trade. As you can see right here, this is how you're gonna take this trade. Enter from here after this candle, and your stop loss just below this support zone, and you are running all the way up. You are risking 17 pips to make 44 pips, which is a very nice risk reward ratio. Very good. Yeah, you are risking 1 to make times 3 of it. So that's just how to measure your long position, or that's the use of this one. And for the short position, if you are like selling, like right now, if you are like selling, the market was trending downward and you are looking for sales, you're only looking for sales only. The market trended here, came back up to this position you are watching, came back to this trend line. If you wanted to short this market from here, you can use your short position after this candle, this strong bearish candle, you can enter from here, and your stop loss should, your take profit should be somewhere here, and your stop loss should be, let's say, beneath this strong confirmation candle. This is another support area, and of course this is a double top, so it also adds to your confidence to take the trade. So you are risking 16 pips to make 39 pips. So though it didn't actually hit the take profit, but if you're a smart trader, you could have break even somewhere here. That's how you trade this market. So that's how you use this your long and this short positions, buy, sell. All right, another thing I'm going to be adding in this chart is, let me see another instrument that I use that's going to be important for you too as a beginner. Let me see, projection, bar patterns. I don't use all these ones. Yeah, I always use this arrow mark. Yeah, it's not going to be important for you now, but you can use it. You can add it here. This arrow mark, like this double top. You can mark it 1, another double top 2. You see, you can also use it. It's important. Then you also come here. Anything that you like, that you feel like is important to you, add it to favorite. It's going to pop up here. This triangle, this rectangle is very important to me, so I also add it. Even this one, I use this one, and also this one, this path. So let me show you the 3 that I just added. For me, this rectangle, I always use this rectangle when I spot a very strong resistance area. I'm going to use this rectangle here. I don't use horizontal rays where I spot my very strong resistance positions. I use this rectangle here because I know this market is going to retrace here next week. Is going to retrace. There's going to be a very some retracement here in NZD CHF before moving again up to the top. So that's what I'll be watching next week. So I used to use this one as well. You can click on it, change your colors, and configure it anyhow you want. Yeah, then this one here also is this rotated rectangle. Let me show you where I use it. This rotated rectangle, I can use it cases like this. You see, the market is forming what we call a bearish flag pattern. I always use this my rotated rectangle to spot it with it. I use it to spot it with it. So I'll use it to know what is happening in the market. So when it breaks out of the rectangle, I understand that this is a change of trend. So I used to use it. This is not a nice example to show you where I use it, but I use it not all the time. And this path is just to show you how the market, to mark your points, what you are predicting. Yeah, you understand. You see this oftenly when your forex mentors are trying to demonstrate something in the chart. They use this path. So it's going to be very important. If you don't know that this is the path, you can come here. You can come right here, and you're going to see it down here. Path. All these ones, you can use it to mark your points, your positions in the chart, like this circle. Now the market is going to be reversing here. You can make a point here, a circle. So for me, this one is the same with the arrow. So let's just work with what we have here. So let me check another important thing here that I use. Let me see. I don't think there's still any that I use here that's really that important to me. I think that's all for now. As a beginner, I just need to have all this. Look at it. The trend line, horizontal ray, Fibonacci retracement, long short position, arrow mark down. There's also an arrow mark up as well. Rectangle, rotated rectangle, this path. Yeah, all these ones are very important for you, and it's going to make your chart look good. So this video was not purposely to show you how to draw trend lines, support and resistance, but just to show you how to set up your trading view. As you can see, it's looking clear and nice. Okay, I was still thinking of what else you need to know. At the top here, settings here. If you want to take a screenshot of your chart, just click here, tap here, and download image. You have already screenshotted your trading view and it's going to be downloaded. And again, if you don't want to use candlesticks in your analysis, if you want to use another thing, know that trading is not a must that you must use candlesticks. You can use your line pattern, but just know that this trading, these candlestick patterns was also invented by someone, and it is trading, because if not of these candlesticks, for you to analyze the market with this line pattern, just tell me how you're going to start from, guys. Just look at it. You can't spot your confirmation candle, you don't know where to enter, don't know what is happening, or if was that you analyze the market with this, just check another pattern here with this step line. Just look at it. Like you don't know the point to enter, you're just seeing lines. But with the help of these candlesticks, there's also a book called the Candlestick Bible. I have the book. If you need the book, just comment that you need it on my comment section. I'm going to send you the PDF. With this, you know that this place is not yet a resistance. The market just reacted here based on our Fibonacci. We're expecting the market to drop from here, but it's not a well confirmed resistance. But when it came back to your trend line is also a resistance. When it came back to your trend line, here and here gave you a double top, and so you can enter from there and catch few pips down here before the market reversing upward. So that also helps a lot. So I think that's all you need to know about the trading view for now. As a beginner, that's all you need to know. Set your trading view like this and get back to me if you really need some help from me. So that's all about the trading view. Thank you for watching patiently. Hope you learned something important about this video. Thank you so much.
All right, and that's all about the trading view. Not actually all. When you start using the trading view, you are going to discover some things by yourself, and you are going to configure it your own way based on the knowledge I just gave in this video. So I'm not telling you to make it exactly to look like mine, but you can do it the way you want it, the way you enjoy it. So that was just it for this video, and I'm happy you learned something. So guys, I'm begging, take me to 100 subscribers and I'll be so grateful. I'm begging. Okay, thank you for watching this very nice video, and next week we are going to be doing something special. I'm going to start teaching you how to analyze the market. I know some people can't wait for this, but I'm going to be teaching you how to analyze the market. For anyone that's been following me from day one till now, you can't tell me that you have not learned anything. That's if you really wanted to learn how to trade. By now you could have set up your instrument and you are waiting for the analysis to know how to analyze, to buy or sell. Thank you very much, you guys. Peace out.